Have you ever wondered how those beautiful houses are built in America? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about construction and interior design of homes in America. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how houses are constructed in America, what are the main stages, and how many days does it take to build. Let's get started. Just like we have apartments and individual houses in India, there are also different types of residential buildings in US. Some of them are single family homes. Those are the homes that are built on a single lot with no shared walls. Sometimes there's a garage attached to it. The next type is apartments. As we all know, apartment buildings are a combination of many separate homes. Townhouses. Townhouses are a combination of apartment and a single family home. They are often multiple floors with one or two shared walls. You will be surprised to know that wood is the important construction material used for construction of US homes. And today we are seeing about single family homes. It may be either built on a slab or with a basement. The first stage of process is getting permit from the government. The local government must approve the design and provide permits for everything from the zoning and grading. Grading meaning changing the contour or slope of the land to accommodate your home, your driveway, and all the spaces. Government also need to approve the septic systems, home construction techniques used, electrical work, plumbing, and all the details. Once permits are acquired, physical construction can begin on the site. Firstly, preparing the site for construction. The builders clears the site of rocks, debris, and trees for the house, then puts up wooden forms to serve as a template for the foundation, and digs the holes and trenches. Next, they position any reinforcement bars, mesh, or pour gravel in the trenches. This may take 1 week to finish. Talking about the foundation, there are two main ways houses are built here. It may be either built on a slab or on a basement. This is mostly decided based on the site's contour. In simple words, the land's slope, that is ups and downs of the lot. Lot which is flat will mostly have a slab home on it, and the slopey lot will have a basement home. For basement home, the hole is dug, the foundation walls are formed and poured. Once concrete is poured into the holes and trenches, it will need time to cure. This whole process, this may take another week. Next, the framing. The framing carpenters will arrive to put up the lumber framework for the floors, walls, and ceilings. As I already told you, all the homes are built with wood as the main material. The rough openings for windows, doors, and skylights will be framed at this time. You will be very surprised to see this process happening very quick, maybe within a week or two, based on the size of the home. Once the shell is finished, siding and roofing can be installed. Often windows and exterior door frames are installed at this stage. Next step is to complete the electrical and plumbing. Contractors start running pipes and wires through the interior walls, ceilings, and floors. Sewer lines and vents, as well as the water supply lines for each fixture, are installed in this stage. Bathtubs and one-piece shower tub units are put in place at this point because there's more room to maneuver large heavy objects through the house. Ductworks are installed for the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. An electrician then installs receptacles for outlets, lights, and switches and runs wires for them. Wiring for telephone, cable TV, home theaters, music systems are also included in this work. This may take 1 to 2 weeks based on the number of people working on the project. Next, install the insulation in the walls and attic. Drywall is hung throughout the house, then primary coat of paint is applied following that, and any imperfections are sealed. Contractors also begin installing exterior finishes like brick, stucco, stone, and sidings. All this may take 3 to 4 weeks to complete. Up next, doors, window sills, decorative trims are installed. cabinets, fireplace are also installed. This may take just a week because everything is already prefabricated outside and just brought in and fixed in place. Following week, flooring, that is ceramic tile or vinyl flooring or wood flooring, whatever it is, it's installed, as well as countertops are brought and installed. Simultaneously, more exterior works like driveways, walkways, and preparation of the yard for landscaping is done. Light fixtures, outlets, and switches are installed and the electrical panel is completed. HVAC equipment is installed in place. Sinks, toilets, and faucets are put in place. Appliances are installed. Interior cleanup job begins. All this will take about 4 weeks to complete. Lastly, mirrors, shower doors, and carpets are installed, and final cleanup takes place. Trees, shrubs, and grass are planted, and other exterior landscaping are completed. Your new home will be inspected periodically during the course of construction. Now, a building code official completes a final inspection and issues a certificate of occupancy. And now the final and most anticipated stage, that is final walkthrough. Your builder will walk you through your new home to acquaint you with its features and operations of various systems and components, and explain you your responsibility for maintenance and upkeep, as well as warranty coverage and procedures. There you go. I'm pretty sure you got a good idea of how houses are constructed in America. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you're curious and want to know more about home construction and interior design in US, please subscribe to this channel for more interesting content. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.